From unlucky shorts
What?
to raging after losing a lot of money. These are times when traders lose a painful amount of money, starting with this guy who lost the average person's annual salary on one trade.
And to be honest, this sucks, man. $40,000. Like, I can't even imagine losing that. Like, I couldn't. 40 bands gone, just like that. And it was on me too. I didn't even get scammed out of it. I scammed myself. This is one of the moments I'd really like some advice, but you know, we gonna figure it out. We gonna get this shit working out. Trust me, by summer, we are gonna be lit, guys. I'm telling you, this weekend.
That grit and willpower to not give up is respectable. This isn't the guy's first rodeo.
I know it looks grim right now, but we trade or we. So we're gonna make this work next week.
He's resourceful, just like this guy, who managed to turn 20 grand into an expensive life lesson.
I'm down over $20,000 right now trading Forex. These are all of the Forex trades I'm in. But the past 2 months closed P&L, I made a $32,000 profit. And here's the trade history. It's from September 1st to the end of October, so 2 months. And this is my live account. This is not a demo account. I'm actually down $20,000 right now. The trade that I'm in that is the worst is this USD CAD trade. It is a DCA trade, meaning dollar cost averaging, just adding to losing trades in a structured way. If this trade plays out and comes down to here, then this loss of $20,000 is going to be turned into a profit of $20,000. And if this happens, which is a high percentage chance it'll happen statistically speaking, especially if I add even more positions up here, this will result in around a $15,000 to $20,000 profit, which would bring my 2-month P&L to around $50,000. I teach my whole trading strategy for free in this YouTube video linked at the bottom of the short.
This is when if sounds like a lot of hope. Next, meme coin pump. Fast profits, faster dumps. This is why so many traders prefer not to stream. Imagine someone copying your trade and ruining it for you. Which sounds terrible until you lose a lot of money and are kicked out of class for it too.
I wasn't recording, but it's fine.
Associated with having a house?
Utilities?
Okay, so utilities are a big one. Benny, close the laptop.
I'm literally staring right at you. I didn't even do it. Alright, I'm gonna put it on the floor. That's it.
Close the laptop. You don't need it on.
I gotta watch it.
No, you don't.
Imagine taking an L on both the markets and in real life. That would be a good point to start reconsidering your life choices. Let's make it worse, this trader lost $2,700 in one go. And judging by his reaction, that's $2,700 more than he could afford to lose.
What? Down to 4K in a couple of minutes. I'm cutting the loss here. It's heading to 120.
The one time you see the market go wildly green, you're short. That's life. And judging from this next clip, this guy's luck is still not in the clear.
Breakout up. Oh. 아, 씨발.
Sometimes the market really is just trolling. Now let's rapid fire some small account deaths. That's $560 gone, but this guy's just revving up. Using AI to trade to 10,000 is like hoping a stuffed animal could run the circus for you. Sure, it can play a part, but it should never be the main attraction. Thankfully, he learned his lesson. Or maybe he didn't. Tough luck. Although losing $500 on an AI trade is bad, at least it's nowhere near this next guy's trading difficulties.
Losing $1,000 in 5 seconds.
What the fudge? What is that?
$5,000 in 15 seconds. Amazing. Now, let's return to actual visible pain. Day 24 of this next guy losing money on a trading challenge. Alright, maybe that's too harsh.
This is day 24 of my trading challenge, and today I lost $6,143 from 2 losing trades. For my first loss, we had swept the London high, so I wanted to take shorts into the London low. I entered off at inverse fair value gap, and price rejected from the gap right after I entered. For the second trade, I switched my bias to longs since we held above the London high and ES still had room higher to the London highs. Both these trades were A+, but for the first trade, my execution was rushed and I should have waited a bit longer to enter. The second trade was also A+, but price action died down and buyers got exhausted with sellers stepping in at the same time. Not a big fan of Friday price action, and I will look to stay cash next week if conditions aren't perfect. Bummed out by the loss, but we'll make it back.
This was about an incompatible strategy. This one's about impatience, a 4.6K loss just because he entered too soon.
This is day 11 of my trading challenge, and today I lost $4,000. I was already down $100 since I took a continuation model off this fair value gap, and it actually would have played out, but I had to exit early since I was scared for the news. I didn't want to get wicked out. I entered shorts off the inverse fair value gap, and it literally pulled back right into my stop loss before continuing lower. This trade should have been a green trade if I just had been more patient. And you'll see how it literally runs for 60 points right into my first TP. And yeah, I should have been green for today, but it is what it is. Ending this week off red when I should have been green. Come back for day 12.
Getting market timing down is hard, but not panic buying is the first step. Maybe for this next trader though, the first step is staying away from all tables. That's pump fun in a nutshell. All pump, no fun.
I'm low-key a little behind. As long as we're following our strategy and, not taking any dumb trades, we should be good. I just push. Okay. Like, is it dumb to just enter off of that?
At that point, the market isn't correcting, it's assassinating. 2.4K gone like it was nothing.
What's good, YouTube? Hopefully everybody's having a great day today. I'm going to be going over some trade recaps of my funded evaluation account over the past couple days, and also on trading a funded evaluation account. Like, yeah, I'm technically making something, but I can't cash it out, so it kind of gets rid of the fun of the video for me, but we got to get these videos.
You'd think he lost a bet with his cousin, not a trade. Zero reaction. That's financial numbness. Here's one for the smaller traders. $745 gone in one bad move.
Order filled. Order filled.
If there's one thing you can take away from the market, it's that there are no guaranteed perfect trades until you know you've won. The irony of the market, though, is that for every trader who lets a $740 loss ruin his day, there's another who dabs through losing $3 grand.
Trade taken.
Update for me, trade taken.
Sure.
Oh, shit. Alright. SL hit. 30 points for me though.
One way ticket.
Shit, one-way ticket, man.
Next one, a loss that makes one wonder why they even woke up to trade.
Alright, I've entered this trade. Pound dollar sells. I'm in medium risk right now. I'm either gonna make a couple thousand or I'm either gonna lose a couple thousand. So we'll see how this goes. Down 2.5k literally in like within a minute of taking this trade. That's crazy. We're rejecting. I mean, it's looking better right now. It's really rejecting, but wow, down 2.5k just like that. Damn. Okay, I'm just gonna be patient. You know, leave my stop loss where it's at, leave my take profit where it's at. Because of the time of the day, this could be the high of the high of the day, and that's like my prediction on this kind of trade. This is the setup I'm taking. So I'm gonna actually possibly add to this trade. Yeah, we're getting some good rejections right now. Alright, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take another one. I'm going to add to this because the risk to reward is way better right now. My risk right now is 5k, so I could lose 5k from this trade, or I could make about 8-9k out of this trade, something like that. We're only down 1.5k right now. Ooh, that's pumping, that's pumping. Ooh, is the stop loss about to be hit? Stop loss is about to be hit. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I'm 5.7k, 6k. Ooh, I just lost 6k. I just lost 6k. Sometimes you lose them, most of the time you win them.
Watching that candle climb up hurts, but it's all part of the game. If money could scream, though, all of these traders would be deaf. Here's one of the highest stakes destruction in this video.
Order filled. Order filled.
$25,000, and all he does is facepalm. Well, here comes a $35,000 slap in the face.
Order filled. Order filled.
Shit.
We have to remind ourselves, though, trading is not a race. And just because someone manages to lose 35 times less money doesn't mean they're the better trader, ironically.
And
Order filled.
I'm in NQ shorts. Looking for a nice push to the downside on price. Beautiful. Let's go. We swept high, so I'm looking for lower prices. Ooh, not looking too good here. Looks like I'm gonna be stopped out right there. Not looking good at all. Yeah, stopped out of that one. Oof. That was tough. Was expecting lower prices after the sweep. Did not get that. It'd be like that sometimes. Whatever. Gonna stop trading here. Call that a day. Quick loss. Look at that. Look at that. Ridiculous. Follow for more trading content. Peace out.
Spoiler alert, that wasn't his only time losing money in the market.
And I'm in. In NQ longs. Stop loss below this level. Looking for a nice push to the upside on price. Just got a nice push from here. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing, let's keep it pushing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ooh, not looking too good here. I think I'm gonna be stopped out of this one. Yeah. That's crazy. Follow for more trading content. Peace out.
But, you know what they say, for every trader that loses, there is another one who's winning. Well, you won't get to meet him in this video. Here's a $6,750 loss.
Order filled. Order filled.
At this point, he's not trading. He's just bleeding capital for the content.
And I'm in. I'm in NQ longs. Stop loss below this level. Looking for price to continue pushing up. Ooh, wrong direction, wrong direction. Let's go, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's keep it pushing. Let's go. Not looking too good. Looks like I'm gonna be stopped out here. If price breaks below that, this trade is now invalid, so over my stop, I just got stopped out. It is what it is, stopped out in this one. Follow for more trading content. Peace out.
$1,040 in 8 minutes. Somehow he always manages to lose between $1,000 and $1,100. On the bright side, at least he's not losing a lot more. Risk management? Never heard of it. But hey, at least he's consistent. What's not consistent is this guy who lost $3,000 trading crude oil because he forgot to set a stop loss.
How I lost $3,000 trading oil live.
Whoa! We're a country right now under siege with so many different problems, and nobody respects us.
I forgot to put my stop loss.
The Italian Prime Minister, as you know,
holy shit!
Just flew in or flew out. She wanted to
holy
to
shit!
See me.
Get out of it.
And great respect is being shown when I went to the
y'all just seen that, right?
In France, great respect was shown by.
Oh my God! What just happened?
But it's an honor to have such a.
Yeah, guys, I lost 3,000 off that trade. Now we're like, I didn't trade anything on my personal account. Once again, thank you.
One thing's clear: in trading, losses are guaranteed. But how dumb those losses are, that part's on you. And if you like this video, then you might like a similar one on the left or my newest upload on the right.